So, hallo, guten Morgen, guten Tag. Tooth of Time, the ravages of time. Somewhere like Pompeii really shows the ravages of time, what time has done to a city. Mind you, that one was buried. Tooth of Time is the German equivalent of the ravages of time. Zahn der Zeit. Okay, on the right-hand side, well, we're into spring. Also, literally, spring feelings describe that sort of seasonal happiness by the good mood, the more energy, the better temperatures, when the days get longer and brighter, is actually Frühlingsgefühle. So if you were saying, I feel happy because it's spring, you would say, ich habe Frühlingsgefühle. Evening bread. Well, we know what good evening is. Guten Abend. Often German supper is a light and easy affair consisting of bread and butter, sliced meat, cheese and vegetables rather than a big cooked meal. So evening bread is Abendbrot. And, oh, I love this one. They have a word for slug that's just amazing. A naked snail. And it is a Nacktschnecke. So we learnt, hast du Haustiere? Maybe you have. You would say, ich habe eine Nacktschnecke. Don't confuse nackt, which is naked, with Nacht. Gute Nacht. Und wie geht's dir? Naja, es geht mir gut, weil ich optimistisch und entspannt bin und weil ich Deutsch spreche. Und wie geht's dir? Pause the video and speak your answer to the screen. Wie geht's dir? Und wie findest du zu Hause bleiben? Oh, zu Hause bleiben. Das heißt staying at home. Ja? Also, meiner Meinung nach ist zu Hause bleiben extrem langweilig. Ich denke, dass zu Hause bleiben ziemlich schlecht ist. Ja? Ich vermisse meine Deutschklassen. Okay, pause the video whilst you answer this question. Wie findest du zu Hause bleiben? Okay, we're going to do a quiz now. How much do you know about Germany? Now, I'm going to whiz through the slides, but you can pause to write them down. I think there are 25 questions, so find a rough piece of paper and work your way through the questions, pausing so that you've got enough time to answer them. If someone said to you, Guten Tag, what would they be saying? As well as in Germany, in which two other countries is German spoken? What is the capital of Germany? And actually, I am going to pause a bit longer here because I rather like this map of Germany. It shows you the main rivers that flow through Germany. So you've got the Elbe, which goes through Hamburg. You've got the Spree, which goes through Berlin. And you've got the Mosel here, which winds its way up to Koblenz. I've been to Koblenz, where I've seen where all these rivers actually join. This actually is the Rhine down here, and then you've got the Main over here. The Donau, which is the Danube, is over here. And you've got all your major cities. Okay, so Hamburg im Norden. Kiel is a Hansestadt, that means it's a kind of like naval port. Rostock, and of course you may know that Germany was until between about 1949 and 1990 two separate countries, and this bit here, I'm sort of wiggling my cursor over, was the former East Germany. So, but now it is, of course, one unified country. Bodensee down here, very nice. Lots of holidays here. You can see actually Germany is fairly landlocked. They've just got this coastal bit up here next to Denmark and then down here. And actually, I've spent a lot of time here on the coast. I was very, very lucky near these islands, which are called the... What do German pupils wear to school? Question 5. What do German people call their country? Question 6. Which of these people is not German? Question 7. What is the population of Germany? And 8. What divided Berlin between the years 1961 and 1989? In the 2010 World Cup finals, Germany beat which country to finish in 3rd place? Which of these is not a German soccer team? Which of these foods is commonly eaten in Germany? Lufthansa is what in Germany? Auf Wiedersehen means what in English? Most people in Germany live in what? The typical school day in Germany runs from 8 a.m. till 2 p.m, 9 till 3:30, 10 till 1 or 11 till 4. Germany is made up of 16 Länder. What are Länder? Which of these car manufacturers is not German? What money does Germany use? And this is a photo of what? Which 3 colours appear on the German flag? What is Sauerkraut? Vorsprung durch Technik is used to advertise which German car brand? And what colour are German mailboxes? 24. What is Glühwein? And when do children in Germany open their holiday presents? You can't swap your answer papers with a neighbour, but you can mark your own. Again, I'm going to whiz through these fairly quickly, and you can pause if you need longer to answer. So we know that one. That is hello. Question 2 has got to be Austria and Switzerland. B. Question 3, the capital of Germany is Berlin. Question number 4. Or what do they wear to school? Well, whatever they like, as long as it's fairly okay, like conforms to certain standards. Frage Nummer 5. Deutschland, natürlich. Und Frage Nummer 6. Das ist David Schwimmer. Ist in der Serie Friends. Deutschland ist sehr groß, über 80 Millionen. Das ist die Berliner Mauer, Nummer 8. Nummer 9. Uruguay. Sehr interessant. Das ist Moskwa. CSKA Moskwa. 11. Ja. Wurst. 12. Das ist wie British Airways in England. Das ist in Deutschland. Hier ist Lufthansa. 13. Auf Wiedersehen. Natürlich. Nummer 14. Interessant. Sie wohnen in Wohnungen. Ja, in England vielleicht in Wohnungen und Häusern, aber in Deutschland die meisten wohnen in Wohnungen. 15. Okay, there has been some slight change actually since I did this PowerPoint. Some of the days run, it depends on the age of the child, till a little bit later some days. 16. Well, the Länder are states, and that's a bit like our county councils and things like that. So East Sussex, they have a little bit more power, and there are slightly fewer events. And that is Saab, and BMW is based in Bavaria, southern Germany. Euro, natürlich. Okay, das ist der Reichstag. Hopefully we'll have a German trip up and running for the year. You are your year 7 at the moment, so the German trip will next run when you're in year 9. Hopefully you'll get a chance to go. Black, red and yellow. Sauerkraut. Actually, it's more like a pickled cabbage. It's that picture on the top right. Oh, your parents will know this one. Vorsprung durch Technik, Audi. And what colour? Oh, yeah, I did correct one of the spellings, but not the colour on this one. Welche Farbe? Sie sind gelb. Ja, gelb. Und 24. Oh, that's spiced hot red wine. Und 25. December the 24th. At midnight. Prima! Wunderbar!